Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making this amazing Guyanese coconut pot bake. No oven, no problem. Believe it or not, this is all done on your stovetop. So here I am assembling all of my dry ingredients, and I'm using whole wheat flour and regular AP flour. And we're gonna mix everything in together. Not to worry, everything will be in the description box with the measurements. Then we're going in with our butter and some freshly grated coconut. Now, if you do not have freshly grated coconut, you can use the unsweetened coconut flakes from the store. That is just fine, but the fresh one is preferred. We're gonna pull this dough together with some room temperature water. And what I did is divide it into 2 equal parts, and I let this rest for about 20 to 30 minutes. I did grease the pot with some butter, and then I add the bake in there, and I let it cook for the first 35 minutes, covered on medium low, very low. Then I flipped and I let it cook for an additional 15 minutes. I did the same for the other bake, and this is what it looks like, guys. Drop dead gorgeous, honey. I love me some coconut bake. I don't know about you. I haven't made it in a while, and I'm like, what? I was craving the bake, so here it is. And I do hope you guys make this if you have not. I do hope this recipe inspires you to do so, and if you do, just tag me, let me know how yours turned out. It is flavorful, absolutely delicious. You can just add some butter right there, nice and hot, and just eat that baby. It is beautiful. All right, so thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Let me know if you ever had this before or not. If you like to try it, be my guest. All right, be kind to yourselves and each other, and I see you guys on the next video. Bye bye now.